And my name is Victoria. We are the mental math experts. Today we're going to be showing digit 5. This is plus 5. This is minus 5. This is plus 2. This is plus 5. This is plus 2. This is minus 4. This is minus 5. Right now I'm going to show you a calculation on an abacus.
4, 5, minus 1, minus 5, minus 3, 2, 5, minus 2, minus 5, 1.
And the answer is 1.
Happy Slappy!
I'm going to do the same thing but a little bit faster.
2, 5, 1, minus 5, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 5, minus 4, minus 5, 1.
And the answer is 1. Now I'm going to do mind abacus even faster. And the answer is 4.
Yeah!
To learn more, visit our website, tinkerthinkers.com. Ta-da! Come to Tinker Thinkers! Now I'm going to do a little bit minor. To learn more, go to our tinkertinkers.com.
Not tinky tinker.
Ta-da!